What's the meaning of benevolently? Benevolently. Benevolently.
Benevolently. Benevolently. Benevolently is an adverb that describes an action or attitude of being kind, charitable, and well-meaning towards others. It conveys a sense of goodwill and generosity, suggesting the intention of doing good without expecting anything in return. A benevolent person is motivated by a desire to help others, often with a genuine concern for their well-being. This quality can manifest in many ways, from volunteering at a charity organization to simply offering a listening ear to someone in need. Ultimately, acting benevolently is about embodying the ideals of compassion, empathy, and selflessness, and striving to make a positive impact on the world around us.